For today's read aloud, we are going to read about crystals. So I want you to make sure you pay close attention to the text features that are in this text because this is an informational text. And we can see right over here, first we have our table of contents, which of course tells us where we can find a specific topic and on which pages. And then here we have a photograph of a beautiful crystal just to catch your eye and to give you an idea of what we're going to be looking at. Chapter 1, what are crystals? What do diamonds and snowflakes have in common? They are crystals. Crystals are solid matter. So we have a bolded word here. Lets us know it's going to be a keyword or vocabulary word. Excuse me. And that we can most likely find it in our glossary. Matter is made of two things, atoms and molecules. These are too small to see with your eyes. Again, we have more photographs here. Very beautiful. Crystals are everywhere. They are minerals. Minerals are in rocks. The sand on a beach is many broken mineral crystals. Crystals have sharp corners. They have a regular pattern of flat surfaces. As the crystal grows, the pattern of the shape grows. This helps to identify what it is made of. All salt crystals look like cubes. Quartz crystals look like hexagons. So here we have salt crystals. This caption right here, of course, is telling us what is in our photograph. Take a look. Crystals can be divided into 7 general patterns. Different crystals can share the same one. Compare them. I'm not going to read through all of these. I just want you to take a second to look at them and compare. Maybe you'll see different crystals as we go throughout this book, and you'll be able to identify the shape easily. Here we have photographs of rhodonite, gold, sulfur, and agate. Many gemstones are crystals. Metals like gold and silver are crystals too. Did you know? Crystals are in things that we use every day. They are in components like salt. Quartz crystals are in clocks. Glass is not a crystal. Why not? Its molecules are not arranged in a repeating pattern. Chapter 2, how crystals form. Crystals form when a liquid changes to a solid. Magma is melted rock. It cools, crystals form. Do you know what magma is? Where does magma come from? A volcano. Before a volcano erupts, the lava that's on the inside is known as magma. It is the molten rock on the inside. Water dissolves minerals. It carries those minerals away. They enter cavities in other rocks. The water cools. It evaporates. The cavities slowly fill with crystals. These are known as geodes. So we are going to stop here, and on the next slide, you are going to give me the definition of the word evaporates. Think about what you've learned in science. Use all of your background knowledge to do your best to come up with the definition of the word evaporates.